Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we make a white pizza, pizza bianca, some dried tomatoes, burrata, some fresh basil.
White pizza, so no tomato sauce.
No tomato sauce. And instead of 8 hours, we're gonna let our dough ferment for 24 hours. Hey, I'm Luca Fabozzi. I'm a Napolitan pizzaiolo and I'm in Belgium to spread the Napolitan pizza culture.
So this one has 24 hours of rest into the fridge.
You see, it's really airy.
Oh, it's so soft.
We spread this time the semola a bit.
Flip it out. Ooh. Wow.
The bottom goes on the bottom. Just same style
like
as a focaccia. So we do this to not make it too fluffy.
Now we take the flour out and we stretch it.
And we stretch it. And
it's
voila.
just stretching so it fits into the square.
Yeah.
So if you don't want to miss anything, subscribe, put the notifications on, and you will have plenty of very nice Napolitan tips, recipes with the mama and Luca, and more pizza stuff, so don't miss it out. So we have...
We just put some
it's no
olive
paper?
oil. No paper is okay.
1, 2, 3.
Voila.
So, what do we, for the bianca? It's olive oil?
Olive oil as a base.
Okay.
Some
Sun-dried tomatoes. You dice them a little.
The burrata we will put it after baking.
For people who don't know.
Burrata is much more creamy.
Yeah, it's still creamy inside.
The mozzarella has a different structure. See, it's harder, but still really wet. And the burrata is from cow milk. The buffalo mozzarella is made from buffalo milk.
Squeeze the juice.
Squeeze it, otherwise our dough will be too wet. Always break the basil by hands for the same reason we press the tomatoes, for the oxidation.
No oxidation when
so
you...
no knives for the basil.
Hey Giovanna, we're in Antwerp and look what we're making. Your favorite pizza. I hope it's good and you like it. In bomb. Close.
And
5 minutes
of a pesto of sage.
Oh my god.
It's a beast. So at least 5 minutes more.
Okay, we have 5 minutes to put the magic on the sauce. The smell. Oh my god. Italians are lazy, eh?
We are really lazy.
Good looking but lazy. For me it's like something
It's gonna bake a little bit better on the bottom.
on the bottom. Some wine, some beer, something. Ooh, what is this? I like the color already. Waar zijn de glaasjes? Glaasjes. To you and to Italy, to Giovanna. Woohoo! Special Amalfi lemon zest. We're gonna eat it.
Fine. Oh, sorry.
Okay. Good. Follow and subscribe for more. I have to go to Napoli again.